How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the MAU PA Bassin. Oh, my lunch break again. Okay, go out to the pond. Got a top water bait on and a jig. See what we get into. See if you can find any bass sitting up, looking upwards. See the bluegills are looking up, but see the bass are trying to swim. I haven't fished a walking bait in forever. I think I would try to remember why I don't like this one. Treble hooks get caught. Not very big. The fact that this thing keeps hooking on the string's not helping me either. I think it has something to do with the way that this thing's supposed to spit water. It's probably pushing the front down. Maybe I should probably throw it on like maybe mono or something. This is annoying. Should have just tied on a fluke. Oh, he's getting mad. So that male get mad. Oh, that male got mad. He almost hit it. Got him. Got him. Tank. Get in the boat. Ah! Got him. Got him. Look at that. Yeah. Furnace damn pounder. Right off the bed. Look at that guy. Oh my God. His mouth is torn up.
That's a big fish.
Yeah. Oh man, look at the tank. Look at the gut on her. On the jig. Oh. Ain't got much of a mouth. Ripped her on the jig. All right, awesome. Look at that tank. What a toad. Look at her. Not much I could do about getting that hook out, but let's get a release on her, get her back in her bed. She's been out for a second. What a fish. What a tank. But we're gonna let her go. So long, girl. She go. fish. There she is. All right, she's good. What a fish. Wow. What a tank. It took me a minute to bed fish her off. Finally, got one on this jig. Nice. I know the male's still in there. I still got 10 minutes. Yeah. I don't think that male's gonna come back either. Man, what a fish. See if we can get one more before we're out of here. See, there's one more here. I don't know if he's big enough to eat my jig though. There's the male. I see him. Found him. He's right there. Nah, he's spooked. He ain't gonna come back. Oh, they're up to spawn, man. What a tank. Got him. Second one. Nice. On the jig. Yeah. Little small female. Just trying not to get the hook in my hand. Nice. Second one. And another nice one. No, well, this is about the average size in there, but that first one, that was a good one. Yeah, we'll let her go. Right back on her bed. Nice. Well, keep it moving. I got like 10 more minutes. Let's get out of here. All right, so I got one good tank, which is pretty cool. Top water didn't work for shit. I really wanted a top water bite. That didn't help. That didn't work. But definitely gonna think we're gonna try to wake up early, come back here, see if I can get some of these fish on the beds. Because there's some tanks that have moved up right now, couple 2-pounders and stuff. So, but get out of here and try to get this video up. Until next time, have a good one. Hey, Bassin.